This is Transnusa flight review on flight number 8B5532 from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport to Yogyakarta International Airport. This flight took about 1 hour and 5 minutes from Tangerang to Kulon Progo. Transnusa is a low-cost carrier that serves flights between Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Denpasar. This route is quite new. Previously, Transnusa served the eastern side of Indonesia. In this video, I will give you a flight report and my personal experience flying with Transnusa. This Transnusa flight boarded from Terminal 3 Soekarno-Hatta International Airport at Gate 26, which is the very end of the terminal building. Although many people complain about the gate that too far away, I think it's not that far. It takes time to walk from the check-in counter, but it is fair enough. You can also take shuttle bus from Gate 13, but I prefer to walk. Check-in was smooth. I can request window seat with no additional charge. The cabin baggage is limited to 7 kilograms, and the check-in baggage of 20 kilograms is included. They weigh your luggage before check-in. The waiting lounge on Terminal 3 is spacious, and the boarding process was also smooth. Transnusa uses Airbus A320-200 for this flight.
Welcome on board.
Bagasi kembali pas masuk Anda dan kami mohon kerjasama Anda untuk menempati tempat duduk sesuai dengan nomor yang tertera di pas masuk Anda.
The cabin is nice, no as like some low-cost carrier here in Indonesia. The seats are leather covered with neutral color, quite comfortable compared to other low-cost carriers. I got an emergency window seat, so the space is different from the regular seat. The legroom here is spacious. I've got window seat here. In my experience on my previous flight using Transnusa regular seat, the legroom is fine. Not as cramped as Lion Air or Super Airjet. Standard equipment include prayer card, safety instruction card, and exit seating card for this emergency window seat. They also served food and beverages that accept multiple currencies. standard dirigible. No in-flight entertainment, which is understandable for this cheap flight. Seat back pocket underneath.
Elektronik adalah dilarang di dalam pesawat. Terima kasih dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini.
Boarding motor and visibility 10 km and Celsius temperature on the ground reporting is 25. The information that of Gunakan check contact our living room. Thank you for your attention. Private transfer. Please relax and enjoy the flight.
Untuk melepas saja, please fasten your seatbelt. Look at the way you have to consult by the fasten your seatbelt. Peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil mengharuskan Anda kembali ke tempat duduk dan menggunakan sabuk pengaman serta lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman dinyalakan atau diinstruksikan oleh awak pesawat di televisi set regulation regarding return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. For the principal situation, request to buy crew member. Jadi pull is high, so pengemukannya tarik tuas merah ke bawah. Atau dia berpakar di saat sebelum meninggalkan pesawat to import life vest, pull the retake downward. Avoid pelanggaran just before level the aircraft. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terdiam dalam air. Selain bil ini tidak terdapat kursi depan Anda, bahwa dibaca dengan seksama bagi Anda yang duduk samping jalan kordia darurat. Untuk mempelajari cara pengoperasian jalan kordia darurat yang tertera kartu petunjuk keselamatan, you will find the instruction card is located in the pocket in front of you. Please read carefully passengers seated in emergency exit are requested to study the operation process emergency exit safety instruction card. Anda dilarang merokok di semeja penerbangan ini. Merokok di kamar kecil kamar di kanal apresiasi bukit prohibited, including cigarettes kesarajan sebagai lavatory milik Japanese local law. Peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil.
This plane is actually in good condition. The aircon is working normally during hot weather like this. It is definitely cooler than the one in Lion or Super Airjet. The seat is nice and clean. They don't have many flight and destinations, so I think the maintenance is pretty good here. The scheduled departure time on the boarding pass is at 8:25. We board at 8:05 and take off at 8:40. There was some queue before taking off. I must say that this airline is quite on time most of the time. Food and beverages are offered not long after takeoff by the flight attendants. For a short flight like this, the food option is quite standard. Very smooth flight with nice weather. No significant turbulence during this flight. The view of Java Island is also great. The seat cushion is good, not as thin as flat. The seat cushion is good, not as thin as flat as Super Airjet. I considered this as comfortable for a short flight, or even 2-hour flight from Jakarta to Bali. I got a ticket for 800-ish rupiah flight in high season. I think it was fair enough. Sometimes it is cheaper than other low-cost carrier. Considering the service, the comfort, and the punctuality, it has a high value for money. Around 9:25, we began to land in Yogyakarta International Airport in Kulon Progo. We can see the southern sea of Java very clear at this point. The landing process was smooth. The pilot and co-pilot did their job very well. The scheduled arrival time is at 9:30 and we entered the domestic terminal building at 9:35. I was satisfied enough with the punctuality.
Para pihak terhormat, kita baru saja berada di Bandara Internasional Yogyakarta di Kulon Progo. Keselamatan Anda tetaplah duduk sampai pesawat diberhenti dengan sempurna. Dalam petanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan, alat-alat elektrik tetap dimatikan sampai Anda berada di gedung terminal nanti. Perlu kami ingatkan kembali bahwa mengambil baju pelampu keluar dari pesawat adalah satu kesalahan besar Undang-Undang Republik Indonesia. Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, periksalah kembali seluruh barang bawaan kabinet agar tidak ada yang tertinggal. Atas nama Susah Kapten Rio Siahaan dan seluruh awak pesawat yang bertugas hari ini mengucapkan selamat jalan dan berharap dapat berjumpa kembali di penerbangan lainnya. Terima kasih atas pilihan dari terbang bersama Transnusa dan sampai jumpa lagi. The passenger who just landed at Yogyakarta, the International Airport of Kulon Progo, for your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt has been turned off. All electronic devices remain off until you are in terminal building. We wish to remind you again that remove life vest from this aircraft is a very essential standard dalam Republik of Indonesia. Before leaving the aircraft, please check all your luggage and ensure that there is nothing left behind. On behalf of Captain Rio Siahaan and all the entire crew would like to say goodbye. We look forward to see you again soon. Thank you for flying with us and goodbye.
We had to wait at the baggage claim for like 10 minutes. Around 9:46, the conveyor belt started to operate and we can take our luggage. Yogyakarta International Airport is a relatively new airport, still clean and tidy. The architecture is modern but still have some traditional touch. It is located quite far away from the Yogyakarta city. Either you can take taxi or shuttle or maybe an airport train to reach the city center.
Ada boarding pass 26F. 26F.
Overall, Transnusa offers a satisfactory flying experience, particularly for those who seeking affordable and convenient domestic travel within Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Bali. Although Transnusa is a low-cost carrier, it doesn't feel like one. The service is good, and the comfort is also above the others. One plus point is Transnusa is served by Terminal 3 on Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. It has various restaurants and shops, more modern and spacious compared to the old Terminal 1 and 2. However, with its limited fleet, Transnusa have a limited destination compared to the larger island. I hope that Transnusa will expand its fleet and services to other cities in Indonesia. Actually, I had one issue with the boarding pass in which they wrote the boarding gate wrong. So I had to check which one is correct between the boarding pass or the airport screen. But it is not a deal breaker and it's quite normal to happen. With its superior comfort and competitive price, this airline service is definitely a good deal.